Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
A disturbance in the Gulf of Mexico will bring us heavy rain this week, and we're already getting started. Next Weather Chief Meteorologist Ivan Cabrera, fresh back from vacation.
Yes, welcome back.
With a lot going on behind you.
Yeah, we'll see how long the freshness starts. I know I'm here with you as we check in. Absolutely. Next radar network here showing the thunderstorms getting going. So we'll talk about this Gulf disturbance, right? I just want you to know that what it will do essentially is increase moisture. It'll be tropical here, so we're going to have our daily downpours. It's just going to be enhanced a little bit here, and then we'll see where this thing is headed. You can see all the thunderstorms coalescing across the central and spine of the peninsula. Not ignoring those, because I think the outflow boundaries, the gust fronts from those will continue pushing off towards the east. Right now, still looking at a dying shower, I must say, here across Pembroke Pines. Frequent lightning associated with that has gone away. So we'll watch this disturbance or this cluster of cells here to see how far back they push towards the metro. Our computer model forecaster, rain tracker, is still insisting, and it's doing a good job of initializing, right? So that is always good, because garbage in, garbage out. And you see it tries to push that moisture, that shower and thunderstorm activity closer. But you'll notice also, as that happens heading into later this evening, things will begin to wind down. The heating of the day will be done. And so we'll have a few downpours here, but likely not the frequent lighting that we're dealing with right now across the western part of the state. All right, so let's talk the tropics here. I know hurricane season begins June 1st, this Thursday, but we have this disturbance here in the Gulf. It's in the upper levels. For a tropical system, you need the low pressure to be spinning at the surface. That's not happening right now, and it may never will. May never. So 10%, 48 hours, 7% chance of it developing into something tropical. But you clearly see the spin there. That's mid and upper level spin. For you and me, what that means is, well, the same thing. Whether it gets a name or not, don't want you to worry about that. It's just a heavy rain event that's going to be with this. This is not going to be a wind event by any stretch. So what we'll have tomorrow is tropical downpours in the afternoon. We're going to do that again on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then we'll begin to see this tropical moisture associated with this upper low in the Gulf begin to pull away. But that won't happen until we get to the weekend here. So we have days and days of heavy rain, and each day we get heavy rain, the likelihood of flooding begins to go up. And so I think by Thursday and Friday, we're going to have issues, I think, with localized and perhaps even more widespread flooding before we get into our drier times heading in through tomorrow. So for the rest of the evening, things quieting down, and then we'll rain track for you tomorrow. You'll see the showers and storms beginning to bubble up as we hit through the afternoon, and that will continue again with locally heavy downpours. So our rain chances, you'll see that in the extended forecast, are quite high here. So 70% coverage for tomorrow, and then a next alert for Thursday and Friday, because I think by then the chances of flooding are going to be much, much higher before we get back into a bit of a drier pattern, certainly by the weekend.
Ivan.